Hi, I'm Garvin. This video is on chickenpox. So chickenpox is a very contagious disease caused by the varicella zoster virus. It causes a blister-like rash, itching, tiredness and fever. The rash appears first on the stomach, back and face and can spread over the entire body, causing between 250 and 500 itchy blisters. Chickenpox can be serious, especially in babies, adults and people with weakened immune systems. The best way to prevent chickenpox is to get the chickenpox vaccine. So signs and symptoms. Anyone who hasn't had chickenpox or gotten the chickenpox vaccine can get the disease. Chickenpox illness usually lasts about 5 to 7 days. The classic symptom of chickenpox is a rash that turns into itchy, fluid-filled blisters that eventually turn into scabs. The rash may first show up on the face, chest and back and then spread to the rest of the body, including inside the mouth, eyelids or genital area. It usually takes about 1 week for all the blisters to become scabs. Other typical symptoms that may begin to appear 1 or 2 days before the rash include fever, tiredness, loss of appetite, headache. Children usually miss 5 to 6 days of school or childcare due to chickenpox. So the transmission. The virus spreads easily from people with chickenpox to others who have never had the disease or been vaccinated. The virus spreads mainly by touching or breathing in the virus particles that come from chickenpox blisters, and possibly through tiny droplets from infected people that get into the air after they breathe or talk, for example. So when a person is contagious, or when is a person contagious? A person with chickenpox can spread the disease from 1 to 2 days before they get their rash until all the blisters have formed and scabs, usually 5 to 7 days. It takes about 2 weeks, from 10 to 21 days after exposure to a person with chickenpox or shingles for someone to develop chickenpox. If a person vaccinated or chickenpox gets the disease, they can still spread it to others. For most people, getting chickenpox once provides immunity for life. However, for a few people, they can get chickenpox more than once, although this is not very common. So for prevention, the best way to prevent chickenpox is to get the chickenpox vaccine. Chickenpox vaccine is very safe and effective at preventing the disease. So treatments at home for people with chickenpox. There are several things that can be done at home to help relieve the symptoms and prevent skin infections. Calamine lotion and colloidal oatmeal baths may help relieve some of the itching. Keeping fingernails trimmed short may help prevent skin infection caused by scratching the blisters. So how is chickenpox treated? Most people diagnosed with chickenpox will be advised to manage their symptoms while they wait for the virus to pass through their system. Parents will be told to keep children out of school and daycare to prevent spread of the virus. Infected adults will also need to stay at home. So for painkillers, use paracetamol if you or your child have a high temperature or a fever and feel uncomfortable. Paracetamol is safe for most people, including pregnant women and children over the age of 3 months of age. Special liquid versions are available for young children and babies. Don't use anti-inflammatory painkillers such as ibuprofen, as they can sometimes make people with chickenpox very ill. Never give aspirin to a child under 16, as it can be dangerous for them. Your doctor may prescribe antihistamine medications or topical ointments, or you may purchase these over the counter to help relieve itching. You can also soothe itching skin by taking lukewarm baths, applying unscented lotion, wearing lightweight soft clothing. And your doctor may also prescribe antiviral drugs if you experience complications from the virus or at risk for adverse effects. These antiviral drugs do not cure chickenpox. They make the symptoms less severe by slowing down viral activity. This will allow your body's immune system to heal itself faster. If you have any questions about chickenpox or any other illness or medicine, you can contact me through the Life Pharmacist, email me or call into Lynch's Pharmacy in Broaddale in Douglas. Thank you for watching.